Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom breakout rooms so you can split your meeting into smaller discussion groups or let people choose their own room. Let's get started. First, make sure the breakout room feature is enabled. Sign into your Zoom account on the web. Go to Settings, then scroll to Meeting and find the In Meeting Advanced section. Turn on breakout rooms. You can also enable options like pre-assigning participants and letting hosts manage rooms while they're open. If you want to pre-assign rooms before the meeting, go to your meetings page on the Zoom website, select your scheduled meeting, click Edit and check Breakout Room Pre-assign. From here, you can create rooms, name them, and add participants by email or upload a CSV file if you have a large group. Now, during your meeting, as the host or co-host, click the Breakout Rooms button. You can assign people automatically, manually, or even allow participants to choose their own room. Once the rooms are created, click Options to adjust settings like auto-closing rooms, countdown timers, or allowing people to return to the main session. When you're ready, click Open All Rooms. While rooms are active, you can join any room, move participants, rename rooms, or broadcast messages to everyone. If someone needs help, they can click Ask for Help and you'll be notified. When it's time to bring everyone back, click Close All Rooms. If you enable the countdown, participants will get a short timer before returning to the main meeting. And that's it, a simple way to organize focused discussions using Zoom breakout rooms. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next session.